Hello and welcome. Today we'll be briefly explaining the TTL duty cycle controller. This controller uses the concept of pulse width modulation, and more specifically, the duty cycle, to control the output of a laser. We will now briefly show this device. So this here is the TTL duty cycle controller. It is equipped with both a power source portion as well as a portion that connects to the laser. And in fact, this can actually connect to two separate devices at the same time. As you can see, there's two separate slots for PW. PW1 and PW2, as well as the power source over here, which will also provide power to the lasers. To connect them, we will first connect the power source using ground to ground. And then positive to positive. And then we will connect the laser. In a similar way, we will connect the grounds. And the communication, the TTL wire. And then the positive. And then we will plug this into our holder. So now we will turn on the power for the duty cycle controller. And the functionality of this duty cycle controller is controlled by these three separate buttons on the bottom. The first button is the set button, and the next two are the up and the down button. Now the set button will control which attribute of the duty we're changing. So it can change frequency, duty, for both the output 1 and output 2 position. In our case, we want to specifically change the duty. So right now it's at 0 duty, meaning it's off. But as we increase it, we can see that the laser light, it gets turned on over here, as well as the power increasing on the power meter. So let's say we're at about 10% duty. We can see it's about 0.4 milliwatts. And if we go up to 50 milliwatts, we can see it rises to about 2.3 milliwatts, as well as the brightness being much higher. If we go all the way to 100, this will be the maximum brightness possible with a power output about 5 milliwatts. And then we can turn it back off. I hope now you're able to understand how to use the TTL duty cycle controller and how it is able to accurately and precisely control the laser output. To learn more about this product and other products, please visit www.iadiy.com.